We have been listening for a long time. For decades, arrays of radio telescopes have been pointed at the sky, scanning frequencies, searching for patterns in the noise, waiting for something that could only have been produced by minds. We expanded the search beyond radio, to optical signals, to laser pulses, to infrared heat signatures of massive engineering projects, to gravitational anomalies that advanced technology might leave embedded in spacetime. In 2026, the most comprehensive search in the history of the effort combined all of these detection bands into a single, coordinated global analysis, covering more of the sky, at more frequencies, with more sensitivity than any previous search ever conducted in human history. The result was the same as it has always been: silence. Consider what that silence actually means. The universe is 13.8 billion years old. It contains roughly 2 trillion galaxies. Each galaxy contains hundreds of billions of stars. The majority of sun-like stars have planets. A significant fraction of those planets sit in zones where liquid water can exist on the surface. The chemical processes that produce the building blocks of life appear to arise naturally wherever conditions allow. By any reasonable statistical estimate, the universe should be absolutely full of civilizations. Some should be billions of years older than ours. Billions of years is enough time to colonize an entire galaxy. Enough time to engineer stars. Enough time to leave signatures so large and permanent that they would be visible from anywhere in the observable universe. We should be hearing them. We should be seeing traces of them. We should have found some artifact, some signal, some echo of their existence by now. We have found nothing. This is the Fermi paradox. And in 2026, with the most sensitive instruments ever trained on the question, it did not get easier. It got significantly harder. There are many proposed explanations. Life may be far rarer than we think. The chain of steps required to produce intelligence so improbable that we are genuinely alone in the observable universe. Civilizations may exist, but choose silence for reasons we cannot understand from here. The distances may be so vast that signals have simply not yet had enough time to reach us. But there is another explanation, one that fits the total silence perfectly and requires no coincidence and no special pleading. Something ends them, not war, not the specific failures of individual societies, something systematic, something that waits at a particular level of technological development, a threshold that every civilization eventually reaches, a filter, a point beyond which nothing in the universe has ever continued. And the possibility that follows, the one that makes the silence existential rather than merely puzzling, is that we have not yet reached it. The universe is quiet. It has no good reason to be. And the most honest explanation for why may be the thing we are still approaching.